Welcome to the third edition of Colija in Action.
Hello, how are you? My name is Carla.
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi Carla, hi Frankie, I am Harold. I am very well, and you?
I'm fine.
Hi Carla, hi Harold. I am very excited of presenting the new edition of the magazine. What do you decide? We start!
Yes, we start.
So let's start with third edition of Colija in Action.
Today, we will have the honor of presenting Colija Fashion Food, 8th English Festival. Any question, any angles? What is your favorite food? Colija's Got Talent, nutritional tips.
For this edition of the magazine, today we are here at Consejo de Cúcuta campus, and this is one of our campus at the institution. And in this campus, students from 10th grade and primary school and preschool comes here. We are excited to perform this magazine here because we want to show you all the activities and all the characteristics that this beautiful campus has.
Hi guys, I am Carla. It is honor for me to present our section Colija's Fashion Food. I will not give you any clue, so I leave you with Dylan to tell you everything.
The ingredients of lasagna are 1 packet of lasagna noodles, 1 pound ground beef, 1 diced white onion, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 heart of tomato sauce, 1 pound slice of cheese, 2 cups of grated cheese for topping salt.
Method 1. Cook the lasagna noodles in a boiling water and add salt to taste. 2. Heat some olive oil in a pan and fry a diced white onion, 2 cloves of chopped garlic in a pan for 2 or 3 minutes. 3. Add the 1 pound of ground beef, tomato sauce, and cook until that roast.
Add a thin layer of sauce in the lard bowl for the oven and add mixture of ground beef, tomato sauce uniform under the lasagna noodles. Put the cups in the next order: lasagna noodles, sauce, tomato, and a slice of cheese.
Add in the cup and 2 cups of shredded cheese for topping. Bake the lasagna and serve immediately.
Certainly for everybody, I come here to give you some tips for having a good health. 1. Drink a lot of water, 8 or the glasses per day.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's just we are dates on one of lasagna. Well, now I want to introduce you to Camila Mendoza and Michelle Rico. They will give you to detail about everything that happened at the 8th English Festival. Don't miss it.
Hi guys, I am Michelle.
I am Camilo.
Good morning. This year we celebrate the English Festival on September 25. It was the 8th version where all the high school students showed their talent using the English language. Plays tons to stars on the painting contest were done.
Plays such as Romeo and Juliet, Little Red Riding Hood, and Crazy Story were performed, and talking about songs while listening to artists such as teachers Lenin Sandoval, Lizeth Niño, and classmates such as Emily Castro and Jennifer Villamizar. It was a wonderful experience. We had a lot of fun.
Well, now let's go back to the studio. Carla, Harold, and Frankie.
The bar has nothing special. Have some as much sugar and saturated fat as any treat. Nothing taxes to please calories from a banana to a sweet cookie will give you some energy.
Wow guys, how think of this 18 English Festival? It was amazing. This festival was the best that we have ever had. But we are doing continuing with Angelo.
Good morning, guys. I am Angelo. I am good as question about our nutritional habits. Hola, estamos con Sebastián, Edwin y Jesús y le vamos a hacer unas preguntas. ¿Cuál es su comida favorita?
My favorite food is hamburger. My favorite food is rice with chicken.
My favorite food is the ice cream. Thank you. Ahora estamos con Heider y Johan. ¿Qué comida escogerías en tu fecha especial?
Hi, I choose lasagna.
Hi, I choose tamales.
Eat 4 or 5 portions of fruit. 3. Do exercise regularly, twice or 3 times per week.
Today, teachers and stakeholders share ideas and perceptions about their teaching process.
Buenos días, coordinador. Le quisiera preguntar cuál es una de las mejores experiencias que ha tenido enseñando.
Bueno, contarle de mis experiencias demoraríamos mucho tiempo. Sin embargo, la mejor experiencia es poder, a través de 48 años de servicio, haber enseñado miles y miles de estudiantes. Y la satisfacción mía es poder retirarme y saber que muchos de ellos ocupan hoy los espacios importantes en la economía nacional y son verdaderos profesionales. Eso me llena de alegría porque mi labor no fue estéril, sino se hizo para poder prestar mi servicio.
He is teacher Andrés, which has been the best experience for you teaching English.
Okay, well, I cannot tell you like just one single story. There hasn't been like one single answer. I can say like every time I teach, I have a good experience. Especially when I finish a process with the students, I can say that they have learned that they can go overseas, that they can like bring prizes to the school or to the institution where I work. So I cannot say that there has been just one single story, because every time I teach, I see results. I see that they are learning, so that is for me like a good experience.
Estamos con el profesor César Pacheco. Profesor, díganos, ¿cuál es una de las mejores experiencias que ha tenido enseñando?
Durante estos 25 años pues, he vivido unas experiencias maravillosas, nuevo personal, cada año he tratado de estructurar mejores cualidades para todos los pelados, ya que aquí hay valores muy grandes. Hemos participado en juegos intercolegiados donde hemos ubicado entre el primer lugar y hemos sido campeones. De verdad que esta edad se trabaja mucho. Desafortunadamente pero no tenemos todo el material, pero hemos logrado de cumplir con nuestras metas.
Power. Avoid eating candies and fixed drink. Feed. Increase the intake of fruits and vegetables.
Well guys, this third edition of Colija in Action has ended.
Thank you so much for joining in the experience in Colija.
But don't worry, we will be waiting for the next edition of the magazine. Goodbye.
Bye!
Jamendo.com